Bonjour from Paris. Welcome to a city that embodies romance, history, and culinary excellence. From its iconic landmarks to its charming streets, Paris is a place where every corner tells a story. I'm thrilled to share some of my favorite Parisian experiences with you. Imagine sipping a café au lait on a terrace, or strolling along the Seine as the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the city. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or a foodie at heart, Paris offers something magical for everyone. The city is home to the majestic Eiffel Tower, world-renowned museums like the Louvre and Musée d'Orsay, where you can lose yourself in masterpieces. Over the next few days, we'll explore renowned landmarks, stroll through charming neighborhoods, and savor the flavors of French cuisine. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the City of Lights. So, put on your walking shoes, grab a map, and let's dive into the heart of Paris. Whether it's your first visit or a return trip, Paris always has something new to offer. Let's start day one with a visit to les Champs-Élysées. This beautiful avenue is not only a shopper's paradise but also a cultural hotspot. Stretching from the Arc de Triomphe to Place de la Concorde, it's lined with theaters, cafes, and luxury shops. It's a must-visit for anyone wanting to experience the lively pulse of Paris. Our next stop is the Eiffel Tower, the Iron Lady that has become synonymous with Paris itself. Standing at 324 meters tall, this unique structure was completed in 1889 as the entrance arch to the 1889 World's Fair. Today, it attracts nearly 7 million visitors annually, making it one of the most visited monuments in the world. Ascend to the top for breathtaking panoramic views of the city, stretching out before you like a beautiful veil. From this vantage point, you can see famous landmarks such as the Arc de Triomphe, the sprawling Champs-Élysées, and the majestic Seine River winding its way through the heart of Paris. Next, we'll travel back in time at the Louvre Museum, home to masterpieces like Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa. This former royal palace is now the world's largest art museum, boasting over 35,000 works of art. As you wander through its vast halls, you'll encounter ancient artifacts, Renaissance paintings, and modern sculptures, and the Venus de Milo. These classical pieces are just a glimpse of the treasures that await you inside. The Louvre's collection spans over 9,000 years of history, offering a journey through time and culture. No trip to Paris is complete without a visit to Notre-Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. This historic cathedral, with its stunning stained glass windows and intricate stone carvings, has stood the test of time since its completion in the 14th century. Although still under restoration after the devastating fire in 2019, its grandeur and historical significance are awe-inspiring. The ongoing restoration efforts aim to preserve this architectural gem for future generations to admire. In the evening, take a leisurely cruise along the Seine River, gliding past illuminated bridges and historic buildings. This serene experience offers a unique perspective of Paris, allowing you to see the city's landmarks bathed in the soft glow of sunset. The City of Lights truly comes alive after dark, casting a magical glow on the water. As you drift along the Seine, you'll pass by unique sights such as the Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre, all beautifully illuminated against the night sky. This enchanting journey is the perfect way to end your first day in Paris. Day 2. Escape the bustling city streets and find tranquility in Paris's serene parks. Luxembourg Gardens, with its manicured lawns, vibrant flower beds, and charming pond, is the perfect place for a peaceful stroll. Take a leisurely walk down tree-lined walkways and catch a glimpse of the Paris Pantheon visible in the distance. Another must-visit is the Tuileries Garden, a formal garden that connects the Louvre Museum to the Place de la Concorde. Admire the sculptures, fountains, and perfectly aligned trees as you wander through this historic green space. The Tuileries Garden is a true oasis of peace in the heart of the city. Next, dive into the exciting sights, sounds, and aromas of Parisian life at one of the city's bustling markets. Marché des Enfants Rouges, the oldest covered market in Paris, offers a sensory feast. From fresh produce and artisan cheeses to colorful flowers and vintage treasures, there's something to captivate everyone. For a touch of Parisian elegance, visit Rue Cler, a charming pedestrian street filled with gourmet food shops, bakeries, and cafes. Taste regional specialties, gather picnic essentials, or simply soak in the lively atmosphere of this cherished neighborhood market. No trip to Paris is complete without indulging in its legendary culinary scene. Start your day like a true Parisian with a buttery croissant and a café au lait at a local boulangerie. The aroma of freshly baked bread alone is enough to entice your taste buds. For a quintessential Parisian dining experience, try escargots, snails cooked in garlic butter, or steak frites, steak with fries. Be sure to accompany your meal with a wonderful glass of French wine to complete your culinary journey. Renowned regions like Bordeaux and Burgundy produce some of the world's finest wines, and this is an integral part of the French culture. And of course, no visit to Paris would be complete without savoring a sweet crepe from a street vendor. Choose from classic fillings like Nutella and sugar, or opt for savory options like meat and cheese. Another well-known side of Paris is its undeniable sense of style and sophistication. From haute couture fashion houses to world-renowned museums, the city is a hub of creativity and cultural expression. Visit the Musée d'Orsay, housed in a former train station, to admire Impressionist and Post-Impressionist masterpieces by artists like Monet. Experience the lively street art scene in the Belleville neighborhood, known for its colorful murals and graffiti art. In the evening, catch a show at the Moulin Rouge, the iconic cabaret famous for its can-can dancers and dazzling performances. While the many Paris landmarks are a must-see, Day 3 is all about exploring the lesser-known treasures that showcase the authentic spirit of Paris. Wander through the enchanting neighborhood of Montmartre, famous for its artist studios, cobblestone streets, and the Sacré-Cœur Basilica overlooking the city. Uncover the historic Marais district, a vibrant center for LGBTQ+ culture, featuring chic boutiques, art galleries, and timeless architecture. For a unique view of the city, stroll along the Promenade Plantée, an elevated park created from a former railway line, offering unique vistas of Paris. Paris is a very walkable city, but the metro system is also an efficient and affordable way to get around. Consider purchasing a Navigo card for unlimited travel within certain zones. On the social side, when greeting locals, it's customary to say bonjour, good day, or bonsoir, good evening, even if you don't speak French. Learning a few basic French phrases, such as merci, thank you, and s'il vous plaît, please, will enhance your interactions with Parisians. Don't hesitate to ask for directions or recommendations. Most locals are happy to help. As our journey concludes, you'll carry with you vivid memories of this enchanting city. From the majestic Eiffel Tower, standing tall and proud, to the allure of its hidden alleyways, Paris has captured countless hearts. The city's unique blend of history, culture, and culinary delights offers an experience like no other. We hope this adventure has inspired you to embark on your own Parisian journey. Au revoir, Paris, until we meet again. Thank you for joining me on this adventure through the heart of Paris. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the City of Lights, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, au revoir and bon voyage.